and welcome. Today we're going to be going over how to create a Zenphi flow that can merge different Google Slides. So let's go ahead and get started. Now for this example, we're going to be using the manual trigger, meaning you have to click to start the flow from the flow list. There's different triggers on Zenphi. There's some for Google Drive, for Google Form submissions. You can choose whichever one is best suited for your needs. Manual trigger is a great option if it is something that doesn't have to be done regularly. So we're going to be using this one and it requires no configuration. Okay, and we're going to be using the merge slides action. First, you have to set up your connection with your Google Drive by clicking on the plus icon here. You can select if the connection is private or shared. And the first step is to select which files you want to add. So you can use this Google Drive icon to select the Google slide presentation, and then target file ID is where you want to add. So in this case, this is a presentation that I wish to add to, and I'm going to add these slides. Remember, you're able to add or remove steps if needed. So if you wish to maybe send the final document via email, maybe save it to a different Drive folder, you are able to do that by simply clicking on this icon here and looking at all the options that you have for slides, search all the options for Drive. So let's go ahead and save and test run. So all you have to do is click Start New Test Instance, click Start. Okay, and as you can see here, it has gone through the whole flow. So let's go ahead and see if it has updated our Google Slides. And yes, here we have all 8 slides in one singular presentation. And feel free to customize this to make sure your flow does exactly what you need it to do. And remember to check out our YouTube channel where you'll be able to find different use cases, where you'll be able to learn how to customize different flows and implement them into your daily life. Thank you so much for watching.